taga-Bisaya ka. Kung taga-Bisaya ka, magpunta ka doon sa Pulo, hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Kung taga-Mindanao ka, magpunta ka Luzon, tulala ka palagi. Baluktot ang Tagalog mo o ang Bisaya ng Tagalog, mukhang Espanyol pakinggan sa tainga ko.
Another Mayor, what do you make of the goings on sa Senate hearing under sa committee ni Senator Ontiveros about kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, not only indicating him but also dragging along your name and the Vice President Sara?
Anong sinabi niya?
Dragging, getting statements from alleged witness that you're somehow involved in the gun exchanges, transactions involving firearms.
Involving?
Transactions involving firearms. Salamat kung i-influence sa witness that particular witness saw you and the Vice President bringing that back to the firearms from the pastor.
Ako ang supplier ng firearm dito. Hindi ako nanghihingi. Matagal na akong supplier ng firearm. Bata pa ako.
Has the pastor reached out to you when the Senate hearing started, especially when witnesses starting to come out, alleging all these things against the pastor involving you and the Vice President, that we jump to the same answer?
You know, there are always, we never run out of silly or idiots in government. Let them be. Komportable sila dyan. Komportable rin ako dito. Sharon? Uy! Si Mama pala ito.
Senator Ontiveros has warned that Pastor Kibuloy will be cited in contempt and will be arrested if he does not show up in the Senate hearing on March 5. You are his friend. You are Pastor Kibuloy's friend. And you are a lawyer. What is your advice to your friend?
Get yourself arrested. This is a free country. If you do not want to go there, get arrested.
You will ask him to cooperate?
I'll give him the free choice.
Can I go back to that constitution?
Yes, what about?
You said a few minutes ago that you are comfortable with the presidential type of government.
President.
Although that you campaign for federalism and you run for president.
Yeah, it does that. Let me correct you right there and then. It doesn't mean that it is federal, it is not presidential type.
Let me finish my question first. You said you are in favor, wag na natin palitan, naabutan ng lolo ko, naabutan ng ako ko. But in 2015, when you campaigned for the presidency, you pushed for a shift to change the constitution to shift to a federal system, right?
You're right.
Okay. But you had the first half of the term, you had a super majority. But even up to the end,
Look, it's just.
why did you not muster enough political will to get that shift to federal system?
To answer your last question, because wala akong enough political will. Second, actually, there's not much different about a federal system being presidential. There's no incongruity there. Look at America. It's a federal union of federal states, United Nations. It's federal. It's presidential type of government. I do not see any wala akong nakitang ano doon problema. Pero
Do you not regret that you were not able to do as you promised in 2015?
you cannot have your cake and eat it too. May ang Diyos may ibigay sa iyo, may hindi. So, hindi lahat ng kaligayahan na gusto mo makapkap mo sa mundong ito. There will always be disappointments.
And this was your big disappointment.
Well, I'm talking to you about life. Nothing's perfect.
Yung ano po, kanina,
Ayaw pagpo na to kay
sinabi nyo rin that your call for Mindanao, independent Mindanao, which you did on January 30 in Mensing, you said it was just meeting.
well, that was really that was a legit dream of the old yung mga taga Mindanao. You know, because Mindanao is a frontier country. It is not inhabited by originals except the natives and the Moro people here. So, yung dream of separate, looking at a certain place like my father and mother migrating toward an island called Mindanao for a better future for the children. Yun ang dream. It has always the dream of some people to be independent. Pero if it causes a rupture in our entire system sa Republika, I will not go for it. I will not go for a forced carving out in Mindanao out of the Philippines.
Are you saying now that it was just a meeting or a declare?
I am not. I'm not.
There were no takers?
I'm not saying any different, really. Actually,
Kasi wala naman, after you made the call, there were of course reactions that you cannot do.
well, I said, sinabi ko,
So you're saying that now because
give us a better deal for Mindanao. Well, if you studied history, Mindanao has always been a poor relative vis-a-vis with the entire country. Ang Mindanao noon, the least for so many years, consistently the lowest in getting public funds for our structures. Kaya tayo pinaka-late nag-bloom. And that was the complaint. Kaya it fueled the revolution. It encouraged people, and some Christians joined the Moro people in clamoring for an independent Mindanao. Klaro yun eh, especially the earliest settlers dito. Na dumating na ang panahon na lang, maganda na ang road network doon sa Mindanao. Punta ka ng Hagonoy noon hanggang Rocky Road. Sa ice cream lang yan. Hindi yan pang gobyerno. Hindi naman talaga nahati. Because the influential leaders and even the national leader, president, has always been there. Para tayo na nakatsamba na sa panahon mo ba yun? Karoon tayo ng presidente dito? Pero ganoon pa man, there was never really a radical change in my... When I'll just be frank with you and everybody else. When I became president, there was that there was never the slightest moment that I was thinking of